Every day, the mission of water quality improvement has never stopped. Every water treatment process is operated properly on standard technology and professional workforce. Every step reflects efficient technologies. Every drop of water symbolized cleanliness and safety. Every life relies on water. Every household is served by our best services. Every step of Metropolitan Waterworks Authority represents city's happiness. A key mission of Metropolitan Waterworks Authority, or MWA, is to treat the raw water to be a standardized quality tap water with 4 large water treatment plants serving water users in Bangkok, Nonthaburi, and Samut Prakan province. This is Bangkhen Water Treatment Plant, the largest water treatment plant in Asia, comprising excellent technology and process from the very first step to the very last step. Our water treatment process begins at the raw water system at Samla Raw Water Pumping Station, Pathum Thani Province. Raw water from the Chao Phraya River is transmitted along a raw water canal and self-purified by natural process, resulting in improved water quality. Raw water will then flow through coarse and fine screen to prevent aquatic plant materials and other debris from entering the treatment process. After being pumped to the raw water conduit, raw water will be fed with chemical for water quality improvement. Lime is added in order to increase the pH or alkalinity level. Chlorine is also fed to control the growth of algae and microorganisms. Next is the sedimentation system. After the raw water is mixed with the chemicals, it flows into the clarifier tank. The incoming raw water will be mixed with the alum, a coagulant chemical, to activate sedimentation process. In case of the raw water is too muddy, polyelectrolyte, a coagulant aid, will be added to an appropriate amount to enhance sedimentation efficiency. The mixture of water is gently stirred at the center of the tank so that the particles in water stick together, form larger and heavier particles, and settle to the bottom of the tank. There is a scraper to clear sludge to the sludge lagoon via sludge drain. The clarified water will then flow up along the weir and go into the next process. A filtration system at Bangkhen Water Treatment Plant is rapid sand filtration with a capacity of 75,000 to 100,000 cubic meters per tank per day. Clarified water will flow into the filter tank, which contains 2 layers of filter media, anthracite coal on the top layer, and grated sand at bottom layer to remove particles. Then, the water flows through the nozzles to prevent the filter media from passing into the filtered water chamber. The filter media will clog after being run for 2 to 3 days. So, the filter media must be cleaned by the process called backwashing. The air and backwash water allow filter media to rub against each other, enabling the clogged particles to blast off of the filter. The sludge water will be drained to sludge lagoon afterward. The disinfection process is the next step, which chlorine is added into the filtered water at the reservoir to ensure that water is clean, safe, and meet the criteria of World Health Organization, or WHO, drinking standard. In addition, a small amount of lime will be added to increase the alkalinity to prevent the corrosion in piping system. After that, the treated water from the reservoir will be pumped by water transmission pumping station to the tunnel network, which carries tap water to distribution pumping stations in our service area, and then distributed to the customers with adequate pressure. MWA's water production, transmission, and distribution systems are strictly controlled by our staff and the automation system at the central control room, 24 hours, 7 days. The quality of tap water is closely monitored by our scientists. We collect the samples of water to be tested every 4 hours. We also have a biomonitoring system using silver barbed fish to detect the toxins that may be present in the contaminated raw water. There is a CCTV connected to the system, and the signal is sent via our IT network to allow online and real-time monitoring of water quality. MWA continues developing and improving water production process with the latest technologies such as GAC to enhance the efficiency of water production for better quality and taste of the tap water. All of these contribute to the cleanliness and safety in every drop of MWA's tap water delivered to every household. MWA aims at enhancing the quality of public utilities and serving Thai people from our heart to accompany the growth of the city towards a sustainable future.